Chapter 2: The Sweet Struggle. The business was booming, but the process? It was pure, beautiful chaos. Imagine Mrs. Bell, covered in icing sugar, simultaneously taking an order on the landline, jotting it on a sticky note, and trying to remember if she'd shipped the Koala Crunch batch to Perth last week. We were spending more time on the phone and with Australia Post than with the dough. Mr. Bell would joke, though the dark circles under his eyes suggested otherwise. The problem: every order, local or interstate, was manual, no website. The pain: tracking requests was a nightmare. Interstate orders meant manual calculation and weekly trips to the post office, battling the queue. Customers outside Victoria were craving their treats, but ordering was a laborious quest. They needed to evolve from a kitchen operation into a streamlined, regional supplier. They needed a digital lifeline.